Good day, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on dollar CAD, WTI crude oil, gold, silver, Bitcoin, the DAX, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. Everything went against investors' confidence yesterday, and we saw a big sell-off. And it wasn't just the indices either. Before we look at that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and please check the disclaimers on the GCI website. Let's look at the U.S. indices first. We are seeing a perfect storm of uncertainty about company valuations and fears of an AI bubble. Higher U.S. inflation, a bad NFP and unemployment rate, combined with the fact that the U.S. shutdown means that we have to completely skip the October jobs report. So, if we see confidence returning soon, we could see a lot of dip buying, but let's look at the technicals. On the NASDAQ daily chart, for example, we see the stochastic oscillator, but MACD is thinking about being bearish. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, we see the current downtrend and a very oversold stochastic oscillator. If you're a fan of MACD, you may want to wait until the signal line passes out of the histogram before looking at a long on the NASDAQ or any of the indices. We could look at every index around the globe and we could see the same thing. Price action on the DAX, for example, has broken out of its range and has returned to levels from April with similar technicals. But please be aware that the chaos in the current U.S. administration cannot be ignored. Watch for volatility. Speaking of which, Bitcoin has fallen to April prices as well, with the current level of $85,600. Again, many fundamental factors have affected this sell-off, so be careful if you are looking at a long crypto position. Last time we spotted possible double tops on gold and silver, and we see price action falling on both towards support. Let's keep an eye on these. As we mentioned many times, the downtrend in WTI crude oil and Brent continues, and we see support at $57 on WTI. This has negatively impacted the Canadian dollar, but we will look at possible reversals on CAD pairs like dollar CAD next week. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leverage products, and your capital may be at risk.